how to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're inside here, just tap on this your profile section, and as you can see, I have two drafts on my account. So I'll just click on my drafts video. So I'll just select any one of these video over here. So as you can see, this is my draft video. So what I will do next is just click on next, and as you can see, there is an option called everyone can view this post. So I'll just click on this and click on only you. So what it does, it basically keeps your video to private section. So now all you have to do is just click on this post button over here. So it will be posted under your private section. So just come back to your profile once again and click on this lock button over here. So just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see the video which you just posted as a private. You can see it over here, and now all we gotta do is just tap on this three dot icon right next to or right below under the save button. Just tap on this and you can see there is an option called save video. Just click on save video and it will automatically saved to your gallery section, so you can view it from over there as well. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.